Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Shena Ramos Ruz, 36 of age, single mother of 3 children. I have two daughters, ages of 19, 12, and my son is 3 years old. I am born raised in Talavera, Nueva Ecija, Philippines. My mother's name is Elizabeth Ruz, and I have two sisters. I am a Roman Catholic and I am a high school graduate. I have work experience locally here in the Philippines for 6 years. My main duties to my employer is taking good care of my youngest children, ages of 6, and 9 years old. Prefer them nutritious food, play with them, listen to their stories, help them homework, ensuring their safety and prioritizing their health and need all the time. And also do the household chores like cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, ironing clothes, marketing, and gardening. And to all the prospective employer in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper. I am a kind, loyal, trustworthy, honest, and hardworking person. And I want to work in Hong Kong because the best opportunities and high salary to provide my needs of my children and their education. I promise I'll do my very best to do my duties and obligation and obey your household rules and regulation. Thank you.